It actually feels like I'm having something I should not be having. Okay, let me repeat that. This actually feels like dessert. Did you know you can have a healthy dessert for breakfast? Yes, and that is what Kiki Global Flavors is here to show you today. Of course, we do not criminalize any food. It's okay for you to have your cake, but in our gym inspired series, we're trying to find healthier ways to have your dessert or all the things that you love to eat. Today, we're going to be making Tres Leches chia pudding, which I'm sure most of you have had this, but as a cake. So ideally, originally this is a Latin American dessert, which was a sponge cake that is made in 3 kinds of milk, which is condensed milk, evaporated milk, and whole milk. But now, of course, with the modernization of everything and guys just learning different things, guys got a way to make this a healthier twist. Of course, it's okay to have your sponge cake, but it's also okay to try to figure out a different, healthier way of having the same thing. So in this case, we're having a healthier twist of the sponge cake. We're just now going to start to make our Tres Leches chia pudding, which is so simple. Like, it's just mixing things. So we have our ingredients here: some almond milk. You can use whole milk. You don't have to use exactly what I'm using. You can use the milk that you have. I have some coconut milk here. I have some yogurt, some honey for taste. So you can use maple syrup or even sugar if you don't have any of those, or just even none if you're able to tolerate it without the sweetness. So it depends with your preference. Then some chia seeds. This is actually a very good thing to add to your smoothies. We're going to be talking about the benefits of this. And then we have some oats. So for me, I have the oats that I normally use. Ideally, you should use the traditional rolled oats, but whatever oats that you have, just use that. And we have some salt to balance out the sweetness, and I have some raspberries and blackberries. You can use any berries you have, your strawberries, blueberries. Basically what I'm saying is you can use the toppings that you love. That's what I'm saying. And then we have some cinnamon for just some flavor, and our oats, and we basically mix that in here. So I'm going to store this in the fridge for 4 hours. Ideally, even overnight is best, so that the oats can soak in and become more mushy and soft. But we have to work with what we have. We cannot stay here overnight. So I'm going to put this in the fridge for 4 hours. Then we are going to serve. Our Tres Leches chia pudding has been in the fridge for around 4 hours. I wish you could have done more, but this is still good enough. So I'm just going to open it up everything is just soaked in so nicely. So what I want to do now is do a bit more of toppings, so there is no limit to honestly what you can do in here. This small just jar of goodness is an actual health powerhouse, and it's very fun to see what nutrients are packed in there. So we have a lot of gut friendly nutrients, like we have probiotic yogurt, which you know yogurt is good for your gut. We have oats, which has soluble fiber, which lowers your LDL cholesterol and improves insulin sensitivity and actually feeds the beneficial gut bacteria. We know we have good bacteria and bad bacteria. We also have berries in here. As I said earlier, you can use mini berries, raspberries, blueberries, and all of these berries have antioxidants. They have fiber, they have vitamin C, which is actually good for your brain function, reducing inflammation, and so much more. We also have chia seeds, which has good omega-3 fatty acids, and all of this actually gives you sustained satiety, meaning that you get to feel full for longer, which makes you not overeat. And the fiber from the chia seeds actually helps line the stomach and makes you not feel hungry very fast. So also we know we have put some milk in here, some different kinds of milk, which is good for bone support because of the calcium. So you can actually drizzle if you want, just a little bit, and I'm going to dig in. This is my best part, if you cannot tell, of all of this work that I put in. So we are going, of course it's overflowing, so we're going to try. This actually feels like dessert, like it tastes so good that it does not make sense. So I can taste, I don't know how to say this, guys, like you can taste so many things, there's so much flavor in here, and the fact that we let our oats soak in the fridge for a while. So if you let this soak overnight, it actually makes it creamier, and it does not taste like some boring, just plain old oats. Oats are amazing, but you have to find a way to just make them your own and give them a lot of flavor. So this is amazing, absolutely amazing. You can top this with as much or as little as you want, and happy healthy eating.